Let's start the very next topic, which is about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which are used to join words, phrases, or parts of sentences. Example: Molly sang and Polly danced. Here, two different people are being talked about, Molly and Polly. They are joined by the very word and. Thus, this very and is your conjunction. How many types of conjunctions are there? There are two types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are those which are used to join words, phrases, or clauses which are independent in their meaning. They have their own clear meaning, they don't depend upon each other. At that very place, we will use coordinating conjunctions. See the example: he is guilty and his sister also. Both are different. Most probably, coordinating conjunctions include and, but, for, still, only, either or, also, and many more. Subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to join a clause to another clause which depend upon each other. They have to depend so that they can give a full meaning to their sentence. He said that he was ill. Here, your that is subordinating conjunctions. After, before, when, where, why, how, all these are your subordinating conjunctions. Now further, these conjunctions are also divided into categories. Let's first of all see the kinds of coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are divided into cumulative, alternative, adversative, illatives. Cumulative conjunctions are those which are used to add, to combine two different things. When we have to take the both things in our hand, then we will use cumulative things. For example, I need a book and a pen. I need both the things. When you will require both the things, then you can use cumulative conjunctions, and also to as well as all comes in cumulative conjunction. Alternative conjunctions, which are expressing a choice among both. If you are supposed to choose only one, then you will use alternative conjunctions. For example, you like coffee or tea. Coffee or tea, option. When an option is there, then we can choose alternative conjunctions. Next comes the adversative, which are quite opposite. Adversative means opposite of each other. It shows contrast over there. Adversative conjunctions are still, yet, only, however. Illatives are those conjunctions which depend upon each other. They are used to convey that the very last portion depends upon this very thing. For example, if you will not work hard, then you will fail. Condition, like, those are illative conjunctions. Please read these different kinds of conjunctions and do write it on your notebook along with different words which are used to show these kinds. Next comes all these: either or, neither nor, otherwise. All these are kinds of the coordinating conjunctions. Next comes the kinds of subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are all these given in the table below. Time, the conjunctions which are used to show time: after, before, since, as soon as, all these conjunctions. Cause means reason. Purpose, also the very fact that why this very particular action was began over there. Condition, result, comparison, manner, concession, or contrast. Different words are given here which are used for the different purposes. Next comes the correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which work in pair. Means if one conjunction is used in the sentence, it will definitely be followed by the other one. They all work in pair. For example, both and, either or, neither nor. Neither nor is used in a negative situation when both the things are not accepting that very thing. In negation, it will be neither nor. Though, yet, whether or, not only, but also, no sooner than, scarcely, hardly, it will be followed by when. These are the most important ones: scarcely, hardly, no sooner than, rather than. When it comes to the usage of no sooner than, then we should see that no sooner is followed by did as well as than. And on the very same hand, scarcely or hardly is followed by when. All these conjunctions are the correlative conjunctions. Whenever these conjunctions will be used in a sentence, this will be used in a pair. Please do read these different types of conjunctions and write it on your notebook also and revise it. Thank you.